So how to enable this kind of Samsung AI? So you can do a lot of things with this AI. So to enable it, you need the edge panel. If you don't see the edge panel, just go to setting, then go to display, and under display you can see the edge panel. Just enable this option, and once you enable, then you can see this icon. For example, I am go the any channel or any video, for example this one. If you want to make any GIF, then enable this option, any area mark any area, then you can see the create GIF, then it will record automatically, then it will record automatically, and once done, press on stop, then it will be saved as GIF. Or another thing, if you want to try any image as wallpaper, for example this one, press this icon and mark the area, then you can see the wallpaper option, set as wallpaper. Now you can quickly add this image as wallpaper, and it has a lot of different feature as well. You can see a lot of feature, copy, share, download, or anything, a lot of. So this is how you can easily enable this AI on your Samsung device and enjoy it. Thank you.